Namaste ji, namaste. So this is our new project called Courtroom. So TLOI stands for Teaching Laws of India and it gets you to a law school. Courtroom will take you from a law school to a courtroom either as a judge or as a lawyer. That is what the aim is. So this project basically is all that I struggled with in trying to find resources while I was in law school. So I've developed one which solves, or rather aims to solve, that problem. It's quite in an early stage. It's in beta stage right now. You can download it from the Play Store. I'll link it in the description. So it gets you the bare acts in one place. Landmark judgments, they're not up yet, but we'll be uploading them soon. It gets you previous year question papers all in one place, whether it's the LLM, UPSC law, optional judiciary. We are just uploading because there are a lot of them that we have, and we will upload them state-wise in the next 15 odd days. We have law commission reports. They are yet to be uploaded, but the previous year question papers for CLAT, DULLB, and LLM and law optional are already live. The bare acts are live. We have an exam center in which we are trying to track all law entrances at one single place so that you don't have to struggle ki kaun si date kahan aa gayi hai. Anything that happens, we will update it within the exam center. We have our LBX semester lecture series arranged in one go. We have the career counseling, that is TLOI talk series, arranged in one go. Links to books. We have much more coming in wherein students will be publishing their own articles, maybe perhaps even case law summaries. And then this will become a platform for a student of law in a law school, as well as those preparing for LLB entrances, to have all information, all relevant one in one place. We'll also launch a subscription model maybe from July onwards for all India test series for judiciary level examination subjects, and we'll place it in the self-assessment, the quizzes, etc., and even for the semester level questions. Right, so this is available on the Play Store right now, or the iOS version will launch 1 month from now, and you can try it out. You can give us feedback because this is a total very student focused application, especially for students of law and for any and all students of law, whether you are in a NLU or whether you are in DU, whether you are anywhere. This, I'm sure, is going to be of significant help. You can install it on your phone. We'll launch the website, etc. also, and then we'll keep on evolving the database as time goes on. Available on Play Store right now. Just wanted to make a quick announcement so that you can go ahead and try it out. A lot of features will have coming soon, but you'll have your exam center, you'll have past year question papers, you will have bare acts, you will have a lot of stuff that is already active, and 10 to 15 days from now we are going to be updating it with judiciary level question papers so that this application will be of significant help for getting you from a law school to a courtroom. That is what the name suggests. All right, wishing you all the very best. Very brief video, this one, and then link is in the description. All right, stay safe. Bye.